Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can only add one effect to the video clip, and it will apply to the entire clip. Tap Next when you're done editing your TikTok to proceed to the post screen. It's a new way to collaborate with more creators, grow your reach, and possibly gain virality.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to use a filter on TikTok. Open your TikTok app and tap the Create button, as if you were going to make a new video. Tap Filters on the right side of the screen. Select the filter you want to apply. Tap Effects. Again, scroll to search, or select a category of effects to choose from.
Take our lead.
Open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Go to the icon where it says Effects, and find the one called Shapeshifting. Select the image you saved, and tap the record button. After the countdown, the effect will shapeshift your face into a character.
Take our lead.
After opening the TikTok app, tap the Discover button on the bottom of the screen, tap the search bar at the top, and then search for a filter. If someone searches cat filter, the top results are for any matching effects, such as cat face, princess cat, cat vision, etc.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.